In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Click on Google Password Manager. And to edit any password, just tap on it, enter your screen lock and pick Edit button. Then make all of your changes. Make sure to tap on Save at the top right corner when you finish. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!